I see the vision. The vision is coming together. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I was looking for a video like this and I could not find anybody telling me whether it was cheaper to buy an IKEA pack system or whether it was cheaper to build it themselves. I've gone through the process of building out an entire IKEA pack system of what it would be in my house, and honestly I couldn't afford it, and so because of that I am deciding to build it myself. So I'm taking you guys along with this journey and I hope you guys will enjoy. One thing to take into account, these are the mom dressers that I already had, so I don't have to purchase these, but the mom dressers I'm literally just taking out of the other room and putting into here. Then we're going to build out and build up from there. And so I got the 3/4 inch, I think it was called blonde plywood that we used. And we got that from Lowe's, which by the way, I want to say a big thank you to Lowe's for sponsoring this portion of our project. We have been Lowe's creators for about 6 months now. They have sponsored the portion of buying half of the wood for this project. So that's just for full transparency. I'll still include their portion inside of the total cost of the project, so that way you can see if you want to do it for yourself, this is exactly how much it's going to cost. I have been trying to keep accounts and keep receipts for every little penny I have been spending, and at the end of the entire series I will tally up exactly how much it costs and whether if it's actually cheaper to buy or DIY. If you like DIY home design and seasonal gardening, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get to this video. All right, so we're finally ready to get started. So first step is let's go ahead and get these floorboards off. Floorboards off. Now I'm going to place all of the cabinets where I want them, and then that way we can see. I don't really need to, but I already know where I want it to go. So this dressing unit here, that doesn't make sense. And say here, so this would be just empty drawers. That's not gonna look cute. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go back to the original and put the 3 units side by side and then hanging stuff all on this side. It just makes more sense. Okay, I moved it around. This to me makes more sense. Actually, I'll just take you out of the holder. So here we have the 2 here, 1, 2, and then the shorter unit back there. I really wish that was a single, but I'm not buying something else. So we'll just build that up to be a double. Now they'll get closer once we put the plywood in. And in fact, I think I'm gonna build it so it's closer to this side so that we will have more room over there where everything will shift this way more. But I kind of feel like this makes the most sense because even with the outlet, I have space. And then these are kind of centered in the room. So yeah, that makes more sense to me that these 2 would be centered. That's as centered to the chandelier. Well, it's not centered to the chandelier, but that's gonna be neither here nor there. It's gonna be what it is. It's just not gonna be able to be centered to the chandelier, but it kind of works. It works. It works. It's gonna be what it is. All right. I think I'm going to include the price to the Craig jig, because if you never did cabinets before, you're going to need to buy one. Now, mine is completely my own fault. Now, you can get cheaper ones, of course. This is one of the, I won't say the most expensive. I think it's like mid expense to it. So that's up to you. But if you have one already, then you won't need to get this one. So I'm kind of torn on whether I should choose the cost or not. Figured this could help us for what we need. With this one, literally you just clamp it down and it clamps to whatever the thickness of your wood, so it just automatically goes. So you just close it, clamp it down, it locks in place, and you can undo it. Girl, yeah, that's what this girl wanted in Newton. The other one I have is one that you have to like kind of pump yourself to get it so it goes closer, and I just really wanted something that was going to be pretty fast. Now it includes your drill bit, it includes 2 extensions for your drill, as well as some starter screws. It does also include these wings, is what they call them, and it's supposed to help like steady your project, as well as store, because this one has stuff in it already, as well as store some of your essentials. So it really is a good little device. Let's just hope I put it back like I'm supposed to. It also has a little piece that like goes to, like if you got like your back mop, or what do you call it? What's the thing we got in the basement that we never use? The shock back. It has pieces that connects to your shock back, so that way you can have a tidy space and you won't get all of like the sawdust everywhere.
Alright, I'm gonna come clean here. This is the part of the project where I thought that I needed to do all of these pocket holes, but come to find out you don't even need to do any pocket holes right here. On the plywood, you don't need any pocket holes. Now, the pocket hole, the Craig jig will come in handy when you go to do like the 4x4s that goes as your stud support. You'll see that a little bit later, but I ended up finding out that this was a completely unnecessary step that we did, and I'm telling you now so you don't make the same mistake.
Do I need to turn off the fan? I love that the fan will work, because then when I change out the fan, I got no questions about whether it's going to hit me or not. How's that possible?
It's not. This wall is nice. Yeah.
This one's good.
And as you know, with the old house, the walls are definitely not straight, so we definitely had to make some adjustments for that.
We got a little play here. I think I'm still going to go 32. And 30, what did I say, 31 and a half?
Oh, you got a plate of it. There you go. Like the touch, like the snow.
Yeah. There we go, back to 31 and a half. It'll work though. I see the vision. The vision is coming together. Ain't it coming together?
got me building again.
Yeah.
Now this right here is what you need the pocket holes for. We screwed 2 screws into the studs, and then we also used the pocket holes to screw the plywood to the 4x4s, and that's how you got yourself a nice solid base.
She going in?
That's perfect.
She should be perfect.
That's perfect.
Hold on. Oh, a different angle. Actually, I'm fine.
I hope she still be perfect when we get that collar. It should be.
Hey, I'm gonna have to put you in better clothes though.
You want
Watch your fingers.
cut you, Google.
What? Did we mess up something? Well, you know that's this side. I mean, this side can bend. That one won't. Oh, it looks. Oh.
It's this side. It's this corner. Get it in there.
It's my corner.
Push it in a little bit. Mine is too. So let's
Put this in first. Like butter.
a little tighter than butter. It's always that.
What we got on going here, I love that I'm short. So what we got going on here is I'm gonna put another piece like right here in the middle. And then that'll be supporting all of, yep, that'll go right here. And that will provide support to here, so that way I can put a board down, and then that way it'll just be a little stronger, I feel like. And then I'm gonna put one in, I already made them for the back, so we're gonna put a supporting board on the back and then one on the front. Ideally what's gonna end up happening is, even for the other two, they're gonna get one in the front as well, and then we can put like one long, you just walked across as if I wasn't talking.
Yeah, sorry about that, chat.
Do you see that? So then ideally what's gonna happen is we're gonna put one long face board around the top, or whatever, around the front, and then that should be good. Now that you're here, I can actually do it, because I didn't really wanna, I wasn't sure if I would be able to do it.
So you mean?
I don't know if I need you or not yet. Ha! I actually hadn't tried yet, but my camera's about to die and I needed to go get another.
The trusty sidekick.
The trusty sidekick. Which, by the way, let's give our grumbling friend his own mic. Welcome to the chat. Boom. Oh, don't get quiet now. You should see him over there laughing. Don't get quiet now. Tell him. Say, don't get quiet. Welcome to the chat.
I'm hot, chat.
Well, I can understand that. It's like almost 100 degrees outside, so it is a really hot day. Which is why we're not doing outside projects.
Yes. What's the year again? 1860?
What are you talking about?
1860.
What's 1860?
Feel like a slave.
Oh my Lord.